Welcome to the City of Fayetteville Municipal Court. This court handles minor misdemeanors, traffic offenses, and city ordinances for which the maximum penalty is 12 months in custody and a fine up to $1,000. In aggravated circumstances, the fine can be up to $5,000. You are here for either an arraignment calendar, calendar call, trial calendar, or probation calendar. Arraignment calendars allow you to confirm what you are charged with and decide how you would like to proceed in your case. Trial calendars allow you to have your case heard and decided by a judge or jury. Probation calendars allow you to defend against a probation violation if you choose to contest the matter. You do have rights that I must mention. You have the right to the presumption of innocence until or unless the city proves you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a speedy and public bench trial or a trial by jury. You have the right to see, hear, and cross-examine witnesses that the city may call to testify against you. You have the right to offer evidence or have witnesses subpoenaed to testify on your behalf. You have the right to testify in your case if you choose to do so, but if you choose not to testify, no presumption of your guilt may be raised. You have the right to representation at all stages of your case. If you cannot afford a private attorney and you believe assistance is needed in your case, please let me know and an application will be sent to you. Once you have filled out the form and returned it to the court, it will be reviewed. If you qualify, a court-appointed attorney will be appointed to assist you with your matter. If you represent yourself, you will be held to the same standard as an attorney. You have the right to appeal the court's decision, in most cases within 30 days. You will need to file your appeal in the Superior Court of Fayette County. The judge and staff members of this court are prohibited from providing legal advice, including steps on how to appeal the court's decision. If you have any questions, you should seek the assistance of an attorney. If you are not a U.S. citizen, your immigration status may be adversely affected by a plea or conviction in your case. You have several options of handling your case today. You may dispose of your case with a plea of guilty, which means you did what the citation said you did. Nolo contendere, which means you are not contesting the charges that are pending against you, and you will accept the penalty associated with the charge. You can enter a plea of nolo contendere once every 5 years to avoid points being assessed on your license and to avoid your license from being suspended in suspendable offenses. The acceptance of a nolo plea is in the discretion of the court and may not be accepted in all cases. You may ask for a pretrial with the solicitor, which means you would like to speak with the solicitor regarding your case. The solicitor will let you know whether you are eligible for our pretrial diversion or traffic diversion program. She will provide you with her recommendation. Please keep in mind that the solicitor represents the City of Fayetteville, and any information you provide her may be used against you if your matter proceeds to trial. You may also enter a plea of not guilty, which means you would like to have a trial in your case. You can either have a bench trial here in the City of Fayetteville, or you may have a trial by jury in the State Court of Fayette County. If you would like your matter tried here in the City of Fayetteville, we will send you the notice of trial. Please make sure that you have any evidence or witnesses with you if you wish to present it to the court. If you would like to have a trial by jury, we will verify your mailing address before you are released, and you will receive notice in the mail on when to appear in state court for your arraignment. Please be sure to notify the court of any changes to your mailing address so that proper notice can be received.
I am the solicitor for the Fayetteville Municipal Court. As the solicitor, I am the prosecutor for the offenses in this court, and I represent the city. Because I represent the city, you are not required to speak with me, and you should be aware that when speaking with me, anything that you tell me could be used against you in a trial. That being said, I am always available to discuss possible ways for you to resolve your charges. The court does have some diversion programs that you may be eligible for. Diversion programs are a way to resolve your case without a conviction being reported on your driving record or criminal history. We have a diversion program for marijuana charges and for first offense shoplifting and minor in possession of alcohol charges. We also have a traffic diversion program for some traffic offenses if you have not had a violation within the last 12 months. Request to speak with the solicitor if you wish me to evaluate your case for eligibility in a diversion program.
I represent Professional Probation Services, and we supervise probation and pretrial cases for the City of Fayetteville. If you are placed on probation or in the pretrial diversion program, you will meet with me today to review the conditions and payments of your sentence. If you are appearing virtually, I will confirm your email address, phone number, and home address and send you a link to update additional personal information. The sentence sheet will be emailed to you to sign and send back to your officer no later than the Friday of the same week. Any subsequent documentation regarding conditions will be provided at your first office visit. If you are appearing in person, you will update all personal information at court, and all documentation for conditions will be provided as well. We will decide on your first report date. The map with the first appointment date and times, office address and phone number, methods of payment, and probation officer email will be given to you. The fee payment breakdown for each case includes pay-only cases with a fee of $44 per month. After the 30-day waived period, it is the first 3 months only. For regular probation cases, the fee is $44 per month every month while you are under supervision. And for pretrial diversion, the fee is $40 per month.